Welcome back to Automatrix, the channel where we explore the latest, greatest and fastest cars hitting the roads. Today, we're diving into a beast that needs no introduction, the all-new 2025 Dodge Demon. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a thrill machine engineered for those who crave power, speed and adrenaline. Buckle up as we take a closer look at this monstrous creation that's redefining American muscle. The 2025 Dodge Demon is more than just an evolution of its predecessors, it's a revolution. Dodge has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the previous Demons and cranked it up to a level that almost seems unfair to its competitors. This car is designed for one purpose: to dominate. Under the hood, we've got a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 that produces an earth-shattering 1100 horsepower and 950 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right. 4 digits of pure, unfiltered power. Ha! One of the most exciting upgrades for the 2025 Demon is the all-new hybrid boost system. Dodge has seamlessly integrated a 48-volt mild hybrid setup to assist with torque delivery. This not only improves acceleration but also ensures the Demon remains efficient when it's not shredding the asphalt. The result, a 0-60 time of just 2.2 seconds. It's not just fast, it's borderline terrifying in the best way possible. Dodge knows the Demon is all about the quarter mile, and this version doesn't disappoint. With a specially tuned 8-speed automatic transmission and drag radials as standard, the 2025 Demon can crush the quarter mile in a record-breaking 8.9 seconds, straight off the production line. It's the first production car to break into the 8s, without any aftermarket modifications. Dodge even includes a factory drag setup package, complete with skinny front tires and tools, so you can maximize your track performance right out of the box. But it's not just about straight-liner speed. Dodge has also worked on making the Demon more versatile. The new suspension setup features adaptive dampers that allow drivers to switch between drag strip stiffness and road-friendly comfort. This means the Demon is no longer just a one-trick pony. It's equally at home on the streets as it is on the strip, making it a car you can actually enjoy on a daily basis, if you can handle the attention it attracts. Visually, the 2025 Demon is as aggressive as you'd expect. The wide-body design returns, with even wider fenders to accommodate the massive tires. The hood features a new larger air grabber intake that feeds the hungry supercharged engine. At the rear, a massive wing provides the downforce needed to keep this beast planted, while quad exhaust tips let everyone know it means business. The overall design screams dominance and speed, with every curb and angle serving a purpose. Inside the cabin, Dodge hasn't forgotten about the driver. The interior is surprisingly luxurious for such a raw performance car. Premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a flat belly steering wheel remind you that you're in a modern muscle car. The infotainment system is also top-notch, featuring a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Dodge's performance pages. This gives you access to real-time data like horsepower, torque, and even your G-forces. There's also a dedicated drag mode that optimizes the car's systems for maximum acceleration. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and collision warning, come standard. While it's clear the Demon was built for speed, Dodge has ensured that it's also safe enough for the streets. Pricing for the 2025 Dodge Demon starts at $115,000, which is a steal considering the performance it offers. Production will be limited, so if you're thinking about adding one to your collection, you'd better act fast. Dodge has made it clear that the Demon is a swan song for internal combustion dominance, and they've pulled out all the stops to make this a car for the history books. The 2025 Dodge Demon is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, a celebration of American muscle, and a thrill ride that will leave you grinning every time you step on the gas. Whether you're a drag racing enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates raw power, this car delivers in every way imaginable. Thanks for tuning in to Automatrix. If you're as excited about the 2025 Dodge Demon as we are, hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the hottest cars of the year. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about performance.